G'day guys, Chris from Quest. This is our grill table 5. Okay, 5 foot, fold in half, multi-height adjustable, up to kitchen bench height, multi-use table. So let's have a look at some of the features. It's 5 foot long, that's 153 centimeters. It is 65 centimeters wide. Okay, it adjusts up to 86 centimeters, which is kitchen table almost preparation height, down to 55 centimeters low, like a coffee table height. It is half blow molded. So blow molding is very strong, it's very durable, it's great to use, it doesn't get wet and everything. This half is steel, powder coated steel. So it's great for stoves, anything where there's a bit of heat, great for drainage if you want to use it, but very versatile, can be left out in all weather. Okay, it is 155 kilo weight capacity, so it's very, very strong. Loads of features. It comes with the hammock, it comes with the swivel out paper towel holder. It's got a trash bag holder on this end. We've got storage pockets on this end. We've got a bottle opener on this end, and all of it stays in place while you put it up and down. You don't have to take it on and off, okay? It uses our single-handed adjustment system to put it up. So very, very simple. All we need to do is our foot on the bar, we press the button, we pull it up a touch, and then we go down, and we stop it where we'd like to. To pull it up, all you've got to do is foot on the bar and pull it up. You don't need to press anything. It locks into place going up. You only need the button for it to go down. It's a great product, available at any of our dealers nationwide or on questoutdoors.com.au.